Tonight, the heartfelt story of a Beech Grove couple that waited 16 years for the wedding of their dreams.
A nonprofit called Wish Upon a Wedding made it happen. And RTV6 reporter Drew Smith is here with the story. Drew.
Well, Jenna, Todd, this is really an amazing organization. They provide ceremonies for couples facing terminal illness, and tonight's event for Stacy and James took place at the Children's Museum, and it was 16 years in the making.
May that special love you now share continue to grow and blossom in the years to come and be sustained by the divine.
It looks like a traditional wedding ceremony, but it's not.
I confirm that you are still husband and wife.
For Stacy and James, the chance to renew their vows in a formal way in front of family and friends, including their children, was extremely special. Diagnosed with breast cancer in 2001, Stacy's cancer returned and now has spread throughout her body. She knows that her time is short and wanted to do this for her kids.
Awesome. Great experience.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I gotta get my hands out to them. They did a good job, man.
For family and friends like Matron of Honor Melissa Riggs, the ceremony exceeded all of her expectations.
It's amazing. I mean, she didn't get to have a big wedding, and this is something she's always dreamed of, so.
Something every girl wants, right?
Absolutely.
Monica Richard heads up the Indianapolis chapter of Wish Upon a Wedding, and she said once the organization received the application for Stacy and James, she took immediate action.
Every single weekend, we in the wedding industry hear the words in sickness and in health. This couple lives it every single day.
Yeah.
That's why this wedding's important.
Now, this is just the fourth ceremony to take place in Indianapolis. Everything was donated tonight, from the venue to the dinner, even the wedding cake. So it's a great organization.
It is. You'll have to feel for that couple. We want to welcome you, Drew, to the
Thank you.
RTV6 team.
You'll be joining us on the weekends,
I will.
taking care of us there. So
That's right.
welcome aboard.
Thank you very much.
Good to have you here.
Glad to be here.